Hi everyone, my name is Ambica Uppal. In case you don't know me from somewhere and just happened to stumble upon this post, welcome. I write poetry, and the poem I'm going to be reading out to you today is one that I wrote on trans rights. I'd love to know in the comments below what you think of this poem. Have you ever observed these things? Do let me know candidly what you think. So let's get into the poem. You look at me with puzzled eyes, trying to understand what beneath my skirt lies. Is it because your chosen identity for me is what my body defies? Why is it so important for you to classify me? Is it so key to you that I be only a him or a she? The air, a fleeting look is all we have shared. Spiky turn of the head after the glance. I don't need your validation whether I'm a his or a her or them, but most of all, I am only one of life's creation. You don't get to define me. What's conventional is and what's not. In fact, try to question what you have been taught. I don't want much from you, just some beliefs for you to review. Acceptance towards decisions that others takes in harmony of the choices that others make. I want to feel I belong. I want to feel there's nothing in me wrong. I want to be expressively strong. I have what it takes for me to feel this way, but please don't shatter my strength with mindless things you say. Let me live like any other without being judged, harassed, or smothered. Next time you see someone like me, see beyond and look at what lies within. Not at the makeup, not at the clothes, and trash all your judgments in the bin. I grew up in India, and in India, there is a large population, the population commonly known as Chakka, Hijras, the transgender people. Hijras are officially recognized as third gender in the Indian subcontinent. But is it necessary to do so? In a world where we are commonly talking about things like gender neutrality, why is it for us so important to talk about things in a way that we define genders? Gender refers to characteristics of women, men, girls, and boys that are socially constructed. This includes norms, behaviors, and roles associated with being a woman, man, girl, or boy, as well as relationships with each other. The social cognitive theory views gender roles as socially constructed ideas that are obtained over one's entire lifetime. These gender roles are repeatedly reinforced through socialization. In short, gender is a social construct. That's why it's so important for us, on the whole, to not be judgmental and also be very cautious to use language which is gender inclusive. Given the key role of language in shaping cultural and social attitudes, using gender inclusive language is a powerful way to promote gender equality and eradicate gender biases. That's why gender neutrality is such an important concept. It is in order to avoid discrimination that arises from the impression that there are social roles for which one gender is more suited than the other. The disparity in gender equality throughout history has had a significant impact on many aspects of society, including marketing, toys, education, and parenting, clearly broadening the divide overall. So in short, that is really what I think about this topic, but I'd love to hear from you. Do leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll come back with another poem very soon. Till then, stay safe. Bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to soak yourself in poetry.